Hello there and welcome to my channel Burst of Sunshine. Today I'm going to show you these really quick last minute Halloween treats. So let's just get into it. The first thing I'm going to show you is these super easy poison apples. These are so quick and easy to do, so I'm just going to show you how I do it. First, you're going to need an apple. I like these dark red apples. They look realistic for a poison apple. I just thought they were super cute, so I'm just going to take a few of these. I'm going to take the labels off, I'm going to wash them, and I'm going to pop the stems off of them. I have these candy melts in dark green. These come from Walmart. It is the Wilton brand, but you can use whatever brand candy melts you want. And this is what we're going to do to make our poison. It's not really poison, guys, don't worry. I'm going to melt this down in the microwave. That way it is ready to coat onto my apples. I tried a few different ways of doing this. I tried putting it on with a spoon. I tried just different methods. This is the method I found worked best for me, and that was putting it into a Ziploc bag, or you could even use a piping bag. And then I'm just going to pipe all of the drips around. Then I'm going to take a spoon and use that to smooth out the top. That was just the easiest way for me. That is the way I would suggest to do it after doing a couple different test rounds of different ways. That is all you have to do pretty much, is just coat these with a little bit of chocolate. They turn out great. They look cute. They're great for parties, and they taste delicious, and they're kind of healthy. Next, we're going to do these little Oreo pumpkins. These are pretty much just dipped Oreos that we're going to make look like little jack-o'-lanterns. And so I'm just going to show you really quickly how to do it. Again, I'm going to take some candy melts from Walmart, Wilton brand. I'm going to use orange because, you know, they are jack-o'-lanterns. You can do this in whatever color you want. You can make green ones and make zombies. You can pretty much do whatever. I'm again going to melt this in the microwave. It's just easiest for me. You can also use like a double boiler. I just find a microwave to be easiest. I did get the Halloween Oreos. It's not necessary, but I kind of like that on the inside. It's going to be orange as well. And I'm just going to take my Oreo and I'm going to dip it into my chocolate. I'm going to tap off the excess to try to smooth it out a little bit. And then I'm going to lay it out on a piece of wax paper. You can do this for as many Oreos as you want. I'm just going to show you a couple here just to kind of give you an idea. Again, just dipping it in the chocolate, tapping off the excess, and letting it sit to dry. Once these have cooled, the chocolate will harden. And I decided I was going to test out these little food writer pens. Yeah, just skip the food writer pen, guys. It was really hard to write on this chocolate with these. I'm still showing you for the sake of the video. It's better than nothing, but I would definitely suggest using some type of dark icing, like maybe a black icing, because these markers weren't the best. They still turned out cute though. They still tasted delicious. So these still are a great last minute party snack. I just thought I would show it to you guys because I thought it still turned out cute. This would still be a great last minute party snack. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.